Hey guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Ezebe Munachi Crafty Mom. So today I'm going to be showing you guys on how I reuse a crochet. Yes, I use the butterfly falls. I made this butterfly falls on my daughter's hair for Christmas. So I actually lost it, so I'm going to be using it on my daughter to make a ponytail. So guys, stay with us. So Sochi's hair is actually a natural hair. I've not relaxed it. So first thing I did was to moisturize it with water mixed with oil. I actually mixed the water with baby oil. So I moisturized it first so that it will get wet. Then I applied my gel. The gel I use is hair, I think it's hair wax, and I've used it and it's so good, so I've been using it. So this is the crochet I made. I actually made this crochet. I'll be showing you guys the hair I made it with. So it's now easy for me. What I did was to use this thread and I had to pass it through the opening of the crochet. Then I make it this way. With this, by this I will tie it on her hair, the ponytail, and roll it up. Yeah, this is very easy for you for church. You can make a quick one for her, for your kid, when going to church, when going to party, when you don't know what to do with it and you actually have a crochet at home, whether old or new one. This is the fastest way to glam your princess up and make her look like a princess she is. So after fixing this, I had to use the extra crochet to give it this style. So if you actually have an old crochet, it's not an old one. Like me, I don't usually trash things because I see it as something I can recycle. So when you want to make a quick one, this is the easiest thing to do because who's gonna know? Nobody's gonna know. Nobody is gonna know. See my princess looking so beautiful, and we are really ready to go to church and to have a party. So we'll be doing all those with this hair. So guys, if this is actually your first time of tuning to my channel, you're really welcome. Here I do kids hairstyle tutorial with my kids hair. So do well to subscribe and like, share to get notified whenever I post new videos. Bye.